I recently had the opportunity to explore the Jasseem Dentures 2E56 from Jasseem.com, and the experience exceeded my expectations in every possible way. From the very beginning, it became clear that this product embodies a level of thoughtfulness, refinement, and craftsmanship that you don't often see. What truly struck me first was how polished and professionally presented everything was. The smooth layout, the seamless navigation, and the way each element seemed to fit together with purpose and intention. It instantly gives you a sense of confidence that you're dealing with something built with care, not just rushed into existence. As soon as I started using it, the responsiveness was incredibly impressive. Everything functioned with a level of precision that made every interaction feel satisfying, fluid, and effortless. There was no lag, no unnecessary complications, and no confusing steps. Just straightforward, reliable performance that made it enjoyable to use right from the start. One of the standout qualities of the Jasseem Dentures 2E56 is how perfectly it balances simplicity with capability. It's powerful enough to give you advanced functionality when you need it, yet simple enough to ensure that even a first-time user can navigate it with confidence. This thoughtful balance is something that only comes from deep attention to user experience, and it's obvious that the team behind Jasseem.com put real heart into creating something that people would genuinely enjoy using. Every feature feels purposeful, well-placed, and refined, as if everything was tested and perfected multiple times before reaching the final form. The overall structure feels stable, smooth, and dependable, never overwhelming you with too much at once, but always offering enough to make you feel like you have everything you need at your fingertips. Another thing that sets this product apart is the overall reliability it offers. The Jasseem Dentures 2E56 performs with consistent accuracy, and the stability of its operation builds immediate trust. Over time, that trust only grows stronger because it behaves exactly how you expect it to. No frustrating malfunctions, no sudden delays, and no unpredictable issues. Everything feels remarkably streamlined, almost as if the product anticipates your actions and adjusts itself to provide the best possible experience. It's rare to find something that feels this polished and dependable, and it leaves a lasting impression that stays with you even after extended use. In addition to the performance, the overall design aesthetics deserve special recognition. There's an undeniable elegance in the way it looks and feels, a clean, modern appeal that matches its smooth functionality. The interface flows beautifully, with clear visuals and thoughtful spacing that make you feel comfortable and immersed. This level of clarity creates a user experience that feels light, enjoyable, and stress-free, making every interaction pleasant rather than tiring. Whether you are using it casually or integrating it into regular daily routines, it adapts wonderfully, always maintaining that same level of refined ease. Overall, the Jasseem Dentures 2E56 from Jasseem.com has truly impressed me in a way that very few products manage to do. It's not just good, it's incredibly polished, exceptionally dependable, and surprisingly delightful to use on a daily basis. It reflects a brand that clearly values quality, precision, and user satisfaction, and it showcases a deep understanding of what modern users expect from a well-crafted product. If you are looking for something that combines reliability, elegant design, smooth performance, and thoughtful features, then this is absolutely a product worth choosing. I would wholeheartedly recommend it to anyone who appreciates quality and wants an experience that feels premium from start to finish.